Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
The best point of view for your narrative depends on the story you're telling and the emotional distance you want to create with your audience. First person immerses the reader, offering a deep, personal connection to the protagonist's experiences and insights. Third person limited allows for flexibility, focusing on the thoughts and feelings of a single character without the intimacy of first person. Third person omniscient provides a godlike overview of all characters and settings, ideal for complex stories with multiple perspectives. Consider your story's needs, and experiment with different points of view to see what feels most impactful.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.